course you're gonna get some grease from them pepperoni and from that mozzarella. And look at that, looks deliciously juicy. This is that good crust too.
Jersey got that fire, that fire. Now watch us blow, watch us blow, watch us blow. This beat is fire, fire. Say piccolo, piccolo,
Yeah, you know that's me. I'm in the cut with a cup and a few OGs. Beat fire, hotter than 100 degrees. Be in the zone all alone while I'm puffing my trees. Real talk, niggas know my steez. Stuck in the club, turned up with no ID. Red shirts, and we all roll out deep. So ask around about your boy, niggas know about me. Now let's go.
What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are in the north side of Newark, New Jersey. We are far north, man. I'm talking about Belleville is only probably a couple hundred feet that way. But this is North Newark, man, and we're about to go right behind me there. I don't know if y'all can see. We're about to go right there to Pizza Town. We're going to Pizza Town, y'all. Check out some of the pizza. Look, we had one of our subscribers suggest Pizza Town. Their name is right there. Let's go check out Pizza Town. Yes, tables here. Let's go inside. Pizza Town. Pizza Town. Pizza Town. How you doing, sir? Pizza Town. Oh, can I film you? How long you been here?
44 years.
How many years?
44.
44 years. Wow. Wow. Well, I'm gonna get a cheese slice and a pepperoni slice. Yeah, that's the owner, y'all. He's been here holding it down at Pizza Town on the north side of Newark. How far is Belleville? Maybe 1 block?
Right down the street of the light.
Right down the street. Yo, this is official, man. I love to go to a spot where, you know, the owner's been here for years.
What's that?
What has some of your struggles been, like running your own business for that long?
Years ago, it used to be a lot better.
Yeah.
Now it's just paying the bills. That's about it.
Yeah. Wow. So as an entrepreneur, the last question, what are some of the joys of being your...
Well, let's see, we had a lot of factories here.
Oh, okay.
Right? They brought a lot of business. All
Yeah.
the factories are gone. They're all closed up or moved out.
Right. So they would hit lunchtime and they would crowd in. Yeah, I can see that.
Busier.
Right. Well, thank you,
now,
man.
that's like a neighborhood pizzeria. That's it.
Look at this pizza, y'all. See how that cheese is right there? And you can see it look like oregano and spices in there. Don't look like you just threw on some cheese on some canned sauce. That looks official right here. And we got our Welch's grape, y'all. We're about to go in. What's the total on the pizza?
Well, it's going to be $8.
$8. $8, y'all. That ain't bad. All right, let me pay and then we're going to eat. There it is, family. I was craving some pizza today, so I had to get back here to Pizza Town here on the north side of Newark, man. Look at that. Looks deliciously juicy. We about to dig in. Let's dig in, y'all. Let's dig in. Oh, man, this pizza it just feels, you know, I like it when it's like cheesy, and you can see that everybody be like, yo, they don't be messing with the grease. But yo, when you heat this up, of course you're gonna get some grease from them pepperoni and from that mozzarella. See that right there? See that? That remind me of that Star Tavern look right there. That's delicious. Nice and cheesy and saucy, man. The bread is just right. Look at the back of that bread. Thank you. Before I go further, I gotta get my spray for my hands. Might be a little too late to clean my hands, but better late than never. Still going at it. I still have that pepperoni slice left. Mmm. This is that good crust too. That pizza dough, because I want to eat all of this. You know, I don't want to leave that piece. I want to eat it. I got to drink some of my Welch's grape drink. 180 calories this drink. Who's counting calories? Okay, I want to eat this bread, but I want to go to the pepperoni, because y'all know all of a sudden I can get full real quick. So, this cheese is falling off, y'all. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Right? I got gas in the morning, 277. On the way home, 295.
You remember when Princess Diana got, when she was killed? Yep. All right. Give me a call if you need me. How you doing?
Terrific.
You like that, huh?
Oh, it's delicious. Yup, I'm glad I came.
What, you got a YouTube channel?
Huh?
Is that a YouTube channel? Or?
I do YouTube, yep.
Okay.
My name's Matt. The name of my channel is Matt DV, like digital video.
Okay.
Yep.
Matt TV?
Yep.
I'll check it out one day.
Okay, thank you. Yep.
No problem.
I'm gonna eat both of these slices. Y'all know I normally order one slice of pizza. This is good, man. The bread is good, the sauce is good, the pepperoni is good, the cheese is delicious. It's all delicious. The pizza was so good, I forgot to put the crushed peppers on there. It was delicious, man. I didn't need to add any toppings. Look at this dough. See that dough?
You want to take on that job or what?
They got the dough down. The dough is delicious.
No. That's not.
This your man, Matt DV, signing off from the north side of Newark, New Jersey, on Mount Prospect Avenue, here at Pizza Town. I was about to say in-town pizza. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing. Don't forget, subscribe. Big shout out to all our subscribers. Nobody told you they love you today. You're hanging with the wrong people. Love you, cats. Peace.
Yeah, what's your technique?
We in North Newark, y'all, at Mount Prospect Ave, where the train tracks at. See the train tracks? Just to kind of give you an idea of where we are. All right, let's go, man. I know it's windy. Yo, this is like Art Alley right here.